just in time for Valentine's Day. I'm Ben Brown and I'm going to show you how to play Love Stinks by Geils Band. We're going to start off with a C bar chord. That's right, your first finger is on the 8th fret all the way across. This is that E position bar chord. Make sure you've got a good strong root, but you are going to play all 6 strings. Then for the second chord, you're going to slip over into the 2nd bar position or the A position and up to the 10th fret. Hit it twice. Make sure you got the lowest string muted so you get that nice strong root on the 5. Slide it down 2 frets. Slide it back up. Play the whole thing over again. Oops, slipped an extra one in there on you. Yeah, the rhythm on that, it doesn't really change up there, just a couple of scratches in it. So you got down, down, down. You see the steady beat I'm keeping with my right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Of course, I get the scratch. I'm just leaving my fingers in the same place and unweighting them on the string. When it gets to the verse, you're going to change to a mild palm mute. You're going to mute the strings so they don't ring as much. To get to the A minor from the C, you're just going to slide the first finger down to the 5th fret and pick up your middle finger. Try not to flip off the audience. So, to show you that figure again, palm mute. And you'll notice too, just to change the tone, I'm not hitting all 6 strings, it's more of a power chord. Then when you get to the I've had the blues, the reds and the pinks, you're going to slide that A minor down to a G chord. Same position, but you put your middle finger back down on the 3rd string and your first finger is on the 3rd fret. And you hit that and let it sustain. I've had the blues, the reds and the pinks. Slide on down to the 1st fret, same position. One thing for sure, love stinks. The chorus is almost the same as the intro. You're playing the same chords and you're just hitting a couple of extra strums. I usually don't worry about it. I just strum a little bit extra. But as long as you're playing the yours will probably sound cleaner than mine, actually. If you want to play the synth part on your guitar, maybe you don't have a synth player in the band, you just like the sound of it better, you're going to start off on the 8th fret, 2nd string. So it's 1st finger, 10th fret, 2nd string, 8th fret, 1st string, repeat, and hold that top one. Then we're going to slide our 3rd finger up to the 10th fret on the 2nd string. 8th fret, 2nd string again. Middle finger gets the 3rd string, 9th fret. So it's just. The other thing I want you to try is a good ending on it. You're going to hit the C chord and try to sustain it while you slide it down. The trick is to keep as much pressure. I had to pick my thumb up because it's a little sticky right now. Keep as much pressure on the strings, but still slide all 6 down. The low ones are more important than the high ones. So if you have to give anything up, give up the high ones that you're holding down with this finger. Now we all know that love doesn't stink, unless it's Valentine's Day and you don't have a girlfriend or boyfriend, or they just broke up with you right before Valentine's Day, or you've got one and you've made them mad by forgetting to get a present, or okay, maybe love does stink after all. But anyway, this is just one of the many perspectives that music can show us on the myriad faces of love. Don't forget to check in the links below for the chord chart for this song, as well as other songs you might like to learn. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Love Stinks, just in time for Valentine's Day by the Geils Band. Thank you for watching. Love stinks.